What is this?
A tree.
A tree?
Is that your rabbit? A rabbit?
No. That's not a rabbit. You know what that is. What is that?
A mouse. A mouse.
Let me see.
A
Oh,
mouse.
that is definitely a mouse. What's this? What is this? Allie, what is that?
What's that?
What is that?
A fish?
Yep, that's a fish. Let me see it. Whoa, sweet fish. What is this?
A key?
Keys. Good girl.
Where's she go? Where's she go? Where's she go?
Bicycle? Oh, that's definitely a bicycle. High five. Alright. What's this?
A carrot.
What's this?
Apple?
Apple? Good girl. What is this?
Set.
What is that? Ellie.
A sock.
Ellie. Hey.
A sock. A car.
What's this?
Sock.
What is this?
A sun.
Hey. What is this?
A sun.
Yes, that's the sun. What is this?
A light.
Orange. Good girl. What is that?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Good girl. High five. Nux.
A body.
Nux. Hello.
Umbrella.
Good girl. What is this?
A girl. A girl.
Yes, that's a girl. What is this?
Oh, a flowers.
Flowers. What about this?
Oh no, my face.
Allie, what is this?
A top.
A top. That's very good. What is this? Allie, what is this? Hey, what is this?
I got it.
What is this? Ellie, what is this? Hey. What is this?
A car.
A car. What is this? This is at Cindy's house.
A Cindy's house.
Is it a goat?
A goat.
A goat. Oh, what is this?
A pia.
Pants. What is this?
A phone. Phone.
Okay, go get the phone.